Hey guys, Must94, back with the other box of artifacts. If you haven't seen my last video, you should check it out. Pretty nice box. Nice short print autograph, nice rookie stuff, good parallels, and no Aurum card. Hopefully the same goes with this box. Wouldn't mind a nice patch. The other one didn't have a patch, but oh well. See what we can get in this box of artifacts. 125, 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. See what we get. Nazem Kadri, Max Pacioretty, Evgeny Malkin, and a Dominic Turgeon rookie. 427 of 499. Spacer. Jeff Skinner, Rickard Rakell, Pietrangelo, and the rookie redemption is Florida Panthers. Not sure who that could be. Doesn't ring any bells. Phil Kessel, Tyson Barrie, Steven Stamkos, and a Noah Juulsen Emerald rookie, 82 of 99. See, it's a green. It's numbering over there. Cool. Bo Horvat, Matt Murray, John Klingberg, and Adam Gaudette, 797 and 999. Know a couple people who will like that. Here's a jersey. I'll save it. Save the hits for last, as always. Another jersey. Anders Lee, Riley Smith, Andreas Athanasiou, and a Brian Propp Legends 360 or 356 of 599. Cool. Hopefully this has a patch. It doesn't. Oh, we got a autographed rookie redemption. I'll save that. So let's get on to the jerseys first. Well, I already saw this one. Name popped out. Sean Monahan, 13 of 165, dual jersey. Mike Smith. This one's a rookie, I think. Yep. Jesse Puljujarvi, Jonathan Marchessault, and Anthony Cirelli, 90 of 499. That's not bad. He's a decent player. And the autograph rookie redemption. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Patrick Marleau, Brock Nelson, and hopefully it's a good one. Autographed rookie redemption, 10. I think that's 10. I'm pretty sure it is. Well, it's one of the worst ones you can get. I don't know. Usually 10 isn't a great one to get. But who knows who it could be. Maybe it'll turn out. So, yeah, there's all this stuff from my 2 boxes. It was not bad. I wouldn't say it was great, but got the rookie redemption, the Cirelli, the Monahan, a bunch of other stuff. This was pretty nice. Not bad. I'll take it. Could have been better, but could have been worse. Could have gotten an Aurum card. But that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Here's my 2 boxes of artifacts. Expect more. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.